Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore what self-esteem is and why it's so important. Self-esteem relates directly to our sense of personal worth and value. It's a way to measure how much we appreciate who we are. It is deeply connected to our internal beliefs about ourselves and how much we accept and enjoy our characteristics, such as our appearance, personality, and behaviors. Developing healthy self-esteem helps us navigate life's ups and downs with a more positive and motivated outlook. So, let's begin. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. As you sit on a chair or cushion, let your spine lengthen gently upward. Allow yourself to sit in a manner that is both soft and alert. Relax your shoulders and arms. Rest your hands in your lap. As you tune into your breath, let the muscles of your face soften. Release tension in your jaw and mouth. Relax your forehead. And if you haven't yet, slowly let your eyes soften and close. Now, turn your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. And again, full breath in. And soft, complete breath out. And one more time on your own. Now, as it settles back to a natural rhythm, notice your breath without trying to change it. Notice how you feel. Perhaps you are tense or completely relaxed. Notice how you feel without changing it. Stay present with how you feel. Is there any tension in your body? Where is that tension located? Notice if you feel emotionally open or if you feel closed off. Observe your mind. Is it distracted or at ease? Can you stay with your breath, or are you restless? Remember, there is no right or wrong way to feel. Simply notice and accept your experience, making room for whatever it looks like at this moment. Now, if it feels right, gently place your hands over your heart. If that feels wrong, just let them rest in your lap, but turn your attention towards your heart center. With each inhalation, silently repeat to yourself, I am. On each exhalation, silently say, enough. Inhaling, I am. Exhaling, enough. Breathing in, I am. Breathing out, enough. Continue in this way, building a sense of kindness and acceptance as you offer yourself these simple words. Now, gently return your hands to your lap and release the words as you turn your attention back to your effortless breath. Notice the soft ebb and flow of your inhalations and exhalations. And see if you can tune into a sense of appreciation for your body, for your experience throughout this meditation. Self-appreciation is a gateway to self-esteem. Now, gently soften your attention. It can seem like self-esteem comes naturally to some, while others struggle deeply. And though some genetic factors can certainly affect how we feel about ourselves, it mostly boils down to life experiences that shape the way we perceive our worth. The truth is, so many factors come into play. Our self-esteem can change over time, and as we age, it can be influenced by our childhood experiences, both good and bad. It's safe to say that those who've regularly been on the receiving end of criticism from loved ones lean towards low self-esteem. It may also change depending on our current situation. Things like becoming ill, experiencing physical limitations, or disliking our job can easily sway our self-perception. The good news is that self-esteem is something we can work on and develop, and meditation is one of the best tools to help us do just that. Gradually learning to accept, like, and eventually love ourselves not only changes our self-worth, it also helps us move on more quickly, letting go of negative experiences with more ease. As we learn to embrace our strengths as well as our weaknesses, self-esteem grows healthy, leaving us feeling more confident and allowing us to better express our needs. So here's an invitation. Try to notice the moments you judge yourself harshly. When that happens, pause, take a deep breath, and silently repeat, I am enough. Now, become aware of the room around you. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. Let's meet back here tomorrow.